Do you realize the benefits of a natural makeup look? It's the top choice for many owing to its effortless charm. This look isn't about transforming your appearance, but about embracing and enhancing your unique features. The natural makeup look allows your true beauty to radiate, instilling confidence and making you feel gorgeous day after day. Along with its simplicity and elegance, it has a subtle appeal that fails to captivate. The journey to mastering this look is all about understanding the proper technique and using the right products. From prepping your skin, applying foundation, concealer, eye makeup, blush, bronzer, highlighter, to creating the perfect lip look, we're here to guide. Are you ready to delve into the secrets of a flawless everyday look? Let's set off on this beauty expedition. The first step to any makeup routine: prepping your skin. Now you might be wondering, why is skin preparation so important? Well, a clean, moisturized face acts as the best canvas for your makeup. It ensures that your makeup applies smoothly and lasts longer. Think of it like painting a masterpiece. You wouldn't start without a clean, primed canvas, would you? Let's start with cleansing. This removes any dirt, oil, and impurities that can clog your pores. Toning is next. It balances your skin's pH levels and preps your skin for moisturizing. Now onto the moisturizer. This is essential to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. It also helps your foundation glide on more smoothly. Lastly, don't forget the primer. It's like the bridge between your skincare and makeup. It smooths the skin surface, fills in any fine lines and pores, and makes your makeup stick better. With your skin prepped and ready, you're set for the next step. Next up, foundation and concealer, the key players in achieving a natural look. Now, foundation and concealer are like the invisible superheroes of makeup. They help create a smooth canvas for the rest of your look, evening out your skin tone and masking any little imperfections. But the trick is to make them invisible. You don't want anyone to know they're there. Selecting the right shade of foundation is crucial. You want to match your skin tone as closely as possible. A good tip is to test a few shades on your jawline rather than your hand, as the skin there is a better match to your face. The shade that blends in seamlessly is your perfect match. Once you've found your shade, it's time to apply. Start with a small amount. You can always add more. Dot the foundation on your forehead, cheeks, and chin, then blend it outwards using a brush or a sponge. Remember to blend into your hairline and down your neck to avoid any harsh lines. The goal is to create a smooth, even base. Now let's talk about concealer. This is your secret weapon against blemishes, dark spots, or under-eye circles. It's typically a shade or two lighter than your foundation. To apply, dab a small amount onto the area you want to conceal. Blend it out gently with your finger or a brush. Be careful not to rub, as this can remove the product and reveal what you're trying to hide. Instead, use a patting motion. Here's a pro tip. If you've got a stubborn spot that's still showing through, try a color-correcting concealer. Green counteracts redness, yellow tackles dark circles, and purple brightens sallow skin. Just remember to apply your regular concealer on top to blend with your skin tone. Don't forget, less is more when it comes to foundation and concealer. You want your skin to shine through, not be masked. With a smooth, even-toned base, you're well on your way to that natural glow. Moving on to the windows to the soul, your eyes. Eye makeup can be quite intimidating, especially when you're aiming for a natural look. But fear not. With the right shades and a subtle touch, you can create a softly defined look that enhances your eyes without going overboard. Let's start with eyeshadow. When going for a natural look, it's crucial to select shades that are close to your skin tone. Think soft browns, taupe, or peach for lighter skin tones, and richer browns, gold, or bronze for darker skin tones. The key is to enhance your natural eye color and shape, not to overshadow them. Start by applying the lightest shade all over your eyelid as a base. Then gently blend the medium shade into your crease to add depth. The darkest shade should be used sparingly, just at the outer corners of your eyes and along your lash line. Remember, less is more when creating a natural look. Next, let's talk about mascara. A little mascara can go a long way in opening up your eyes. Opt for a mascara that gives a natural lift and volume to your lashes. Avoid clumpy or overly dramatic mascaras, as they can look too heavy for a natural look. Applying eyeliner is an art of subtlety when aiming for a natural look. Go for a soft brown or gray instead of a harsh black. Apply it thinly along your upper lash line and remember to smudge it softly for a more natural effect. Lastly, let's not forget about the eyebrows. Well-defined eyebrows frame your face and enhance your overall look. Use an eyebrow pencil or powder that matches your hair color and fill in your brows with light, feathery strokes. And just like that, your eyes are subtly accentuated without being over the top. Now, let's add some color and dimension to your face. It's time to introduce blush, bronzer, and highlighter into the mix. These three magic tools will help enhance your natural beauty, giving your face a warm, radiant glow. First up, we have blush. The purpose of blush is to mimic a natural flush, giving your face a youthful and vibrant look. To achieve this, you'll want to apply the blush on the apples of your cheeks. That's the part of your cheek that pops out when you smile. Use a fluffy blush brush and start with a small amount of product. You can always add more if needed. Remember, we're aiming for a natural look, so less is more. Next, we have bronzer. This little beauty tool is perfect for adding a touch of sun-kissed radiance to your face. To apply bronzer correctly, think of making a 3 shape on your face. Start at the forehead, sweep down to the cheekbones, and then down to your jawline. This technique is also known as the 3 method, and it ensures a natural-looking bronze without overdoing it. Finally, we come to the highlighter. This is where we add a little sparkle to your look. Highlighter is used to accentuate the high points of your face, giving you a subtle glow that looks like you're lit from within. Apply the highlighter on your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your Cupid's bow. A small, tapered brush is perfect for this task. Remember, the key to a natural look is subtlety. You want to enhance your features, not overshadow them. So when using blush, bronzer, and highlighter, start with a small amount and build it up until you achieve your desired look. With just the right amount of color and shine, your face now has a natural, healthy glow. Last but not least, let's complete the look with some lip makeup. Your lips are the cherry on top of your makeup look. But for a natural look, we're not aiming for a bold, dramatic pout. Instead, we're going for a shade that's close to your natural lip color. So, how do you choose? The best way is to look at the color of your lips without any product on. You're looking for a lipstick or lip gloss that's just a shade or two deeper than your bare lips. Now let's talk application. Start applying your chosen product from the center of your lips and blend it outwards. This technique gives a softer, more natural finish. If you're using a lipstick, you might want to blot with a tissue to tone down the color intensity. For lip gloss, just apply a thin layer. Remember, we're aiming for a fresh, natural look, not a glossy editorial one. And there you have it, a perfect natural makeup look. And voila! You've just mastered the art of natural makeup. As we've journeyed together through this tutorial, you've learned how to create a flawless, natural look that can take you from day to night with ease. Firstly, we discussed the importance of prepping your skin, ensuring it's clean, moisturized, and ready to receive makeup. This step is crucial for a smooth application and for maintaining the health of your skin. Next, we delved into the world of foundation and concealer, highlighting how to choose the right shades for your skin tone and how to apply them for an even and natural finish. Then, we moved on to eye makeup, teaching you how to enhance your eyes subtly without overdoing it. This involved using neutral shades, mascara, and a bit of eyeliner. We also explored how to use blush, bronzer, and highlighter to add depth and dimension to your face, and how to apply them in a way that complements your natural features. Finally, we tackled lip makeup, showing you how to pick a shade that suits you and how to apply it for a soft, natural effect. Throughout this tutorial, we've emphasized the importance of finding what works best for you. Every product isn't for everyone, and it's essential to experiment and discover what makes you feel most beautiful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep trying until you get your desired look. Until next time, stay beautiful.